Question number 1. What was the name of Lord Rama's father? The right answer is option D, Dasharatha. Question number 2. What is the name of Rama's mother? The right answer is option B, Kausalya. Question number 3. What is the name of Rama's loyal brother? The right answer is option B, Lakshmana. Question number 4. Who was the devoted monkey companion of Lord Rama? The right answer is option B, Hanuman. Question number 5. What was the name of Lord Rama's wife? The right answer is option B, Sita. Question number 6. What is the name of Ravana's sister? The right answer is option B, Shurpanakha. Question number 7. Which bird helps Rama in finding Sita? The right answer is option D, Jatayu. Question number 8. Where was Lord Rama born? The right answer is option D, Ayodhya. Question number 9. Who is the son of Ravana? The right answer is option C, Meghanada. Question number 10. What is the name of the kingdom where Sita is held captive by Ravana? The right answer is option D, Lanka.